So the process I have here is I have everything labeled, so I know exactly where it goes. I know which is the outside, which is the inside. I need to remove the edging. I need to clean the glass. Probably need to razor blade the glass. And then I need to polish the glass, which I have special polish, special roller, and actually work the glass, get it to where it's brand new. And then relabel on the right side and put it away. So I don't know too much about these frames. I haven't even looked at it yet. So we're probably going to start with the rubber stuff. Might look at the front windows too, taking off those edges, restoring those. So we got a lot of different aspects, and that's where we're going to be starting. Don't want to get into the mechanical stuff yet on these. Just need to put these away, put them down there somewhere, and create a processes area here. So that's what we're doing. So originally I was going to do, one window, process it all the way through, but this butyrol is so dirty that I'm mucking up the table and everything. So I'm just going to go through steps now. I'm going to take all the rubber off, then clean all the windows with a razor, then come back, clean up my area, start over, and do the polishing, because otherwise I'm getting chunks of stuff on the window and it's going to be a nightmare. It's a little bit of chaos. A little bit of chaos, but actually went pretty well. I'm not going like super crazy in the sense of like taking every scratch out. But I am getting a great polish on the whole window to where it looks really nice. And all this stuff, we'll have to figure out how to take the hardware off. Doesn't look too difficult. Then again, I know nothing. And these I'm a little worried about, but we'll see. Oh. I think we'll have to see what this seat looks like underneath, and maybe get that all sealed up. Not sure. I was actually surprised how much work this all was. That butyrol really just was super hard, and you could cut your hand on it. I got a good half a 5-gallon bucket sitting there full of butyrol. It's super stiff on the outside and then a little gummy on the inside. So that's why I had to go through like a degreasing process, then a cleaning process, and then a razor blade and fine cleaning process, and then polish, because there was just so much gunk on there. So I think tomorrow morning I'm going to keep going on the glass and see if I could dig into this stuff. And I'm almost wondering if I need to spray oil on these to get these to come off. Maybe I'll take a little crack at it before I go in for the day and kind of see what's ahead of me. Otherwise, we're doing pretty good. We haven't made really a dent, but cleaning up this side of the garage will be a good start. Oh, and also I think with the main windshield, I think I'm going to have to work on it vertically. So you know what I can do? Depends how much the radius is from top to bottom. I could lay it longwise across this way, so it's hanging off and curving, as long as there's not too much of a bubble. Otherwise, it will just crack. So that's why it's vertical now, because it will crack. If I do the inside and lay it flat on the belly, that's not an issue. But I'm trying to preserve all the original glass. This is actually PPG. I didn't know PPG made glass, but they do. So this is a PPG windshield that was probably replaced. I don't know how long ago, but he said that the rubber is actually still pretty good on this. Like it's reusable. So I doubt it's 20 years old, but you never know. So that could have been replaced, and then everything else all has Ford Motor Co. on the etchings. So that's all original. So pretty good. Pretty good.